Welcome students, all of you. Now but see, we solve different type of examples. Now only one type of example is left in this chapter. Okay, I'm writing 2 3 examples, then we will see. Very interesting, and this will indicate you understood or not what we learned in there. Okay, now whatever we did practice, whatever practice is done, whatever is the example solved by me, and you try to concentrate, that will now indicate you really understood from these examples. I'm taking, see, if 2 raised to x, please, very important examples. 2 raised to x plus 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 2x minus 9 equal to 3072. Okay, then find x. Second, I'm taking second, if 2 raised to x, okay, equal to 5 raised to y equal to 10 raised to z, then show that 1 upon x plus 1 upon y equal to 1 upon z. Okay, third example I'm taking, simple example I'll take so that you'll understand. 5 multiplied by 9 raised to x equal to 3 raised to 2x plus 2 minus 324, then find x. Very simple. These examples are very simple. Please just concentrate. Your concentration is required. Now I'm taking one example. First one, see, look here, a base is 2, base is 3. First I'm talking, writing x plus 5 dot 3 raised to 2x minus 9, that is equal to 3072. Now here it is, base is 2, base is 3. Let us factorize this number. Okay, we are factorizing. See students, very important. 2 ones 2, 2 5 10, 2 3 6, 2 6 12. Again 2 7 14, 2 6 12, 2 8 16, 2 3 6, 2 8 16, 2 4 8, 2 ones 2, 2 9 18, 2 7 9 14. Now see, 7 plus 8, 8 plus 9. 2 ones 2, check 2 ones 2, 2 9 18, 2 twos 4. Yes. Okay, now 2 2 9 18, 2 6 12, 2 4 8, 2 8 16, 2 2 2, 2 4 8, 2 ones 2, 2 2 4, 2 6 12, 2 3 6, 3 1 3. See, these examples are very simple. Only concentrate. Base 2, base 3 means this, everything complete magic is here. We did this now. So we got 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 times 2 raised to. So we got it now. 2 raised to x plus 5 dot 3 raised to 2x minus 9 equal to, I'm writing 2 is 10 times is 2 raised to 10 dot 3 is alone means 3 raised to 1. We got it now. See, we compare the exponents now. LHS base is 2, exponent x plus 5 means 10 equal to x plus 5. Now equate, we're writing equate exponents. Okay, so we got it. Therefore x plus 5 equal to 10, so x equal to 5. Got it. Again 2x minus 9 equal to 1, so 2x equal to 9, minus 9 come this side plus 10, so 10, so x equal to 5. Finished. Very simple. This example is little bit different. Okay, I am just taking this now. 2 raised to x, please see, all of you concentrate properly. You are understanding, then I will think you are concentrating. See, example is that what is this? 2 raised to x equal to 5 raised to y equal to 10 raised to z. What does it mean? They are equal means they are having some constant number. hint from this, they are equal means they have some constant value, so you will just take it. Let, what is that constant, we will take it 2 raised to x, please. Okay, equal to 5 raised to y equal to 10 raised to z equal to k, constant. We'll equate, then we'll take one separate. First we'll take 2 raised to x equal to k. Yes or no? Therefore 2 equal to k raised to 1 upon x. Understood? No? See, I will divide exponents on both sides by x, or I am taking xth root of both. See, I am writing here, see, xth root of both. I am taking xth root of both, xth root of this. You can take any same operation on this side. Therefore 2 raised to x upon x to k raised to 1 upon x, this. Okay. Similarly we got 5 equal to k raised to 1 upon y, and 10 equal to k raised to 1 upon z. Understanding? Only one we simplified, understood. We took x root, we got it simplified. Similarly like this. Then now, so students, we are taking it, we take, see, 2, 5 and 10. What is the relation? 2 into 5 equal to 10. So I am writing 2 multiplied by 5 equal to 10. So I am putting value up to k raised to 1 upon x dot k raised to 1 upon y equal to k raised to 1 upon z. You are knowing now what is k raised to 1 upon x. What is k raised to 1 upon x? What is k raised to 1 upon y? So base is same. I am adding this now. See, k raised to 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. A raised to m multiplied by a raised to n. So a raised to m plus n equal to k raised to 1 upon z. Now see, base k is same. Base k is same. Now equate exponents. Therefore we get 1 upon x plus 1 upon y equal to 1 upon z. Finished. Here important is this constant. Then take separately xth root on both sides. No change. So 2 raised to x upon x means 2. K raised to 1 upon x, this. Similarly for this also we write. Now we see relation. Like this you will get in these examples like this only. Third example, see, I give you. You will try. Okay, all of you see this prime factors, remember it. Okay, you will try to find prime factors of these also, and you will get answer. All of you remember it. Okay students, very good. You will try this as homework. Now I am giving short assignment. Now this is the end of chapter. Now I am writing short assignment and class test assignment. Okay, fine.